Inflation. It's a term we hear almost every day, whether it's on the news, in conversations, or while reading about the economy. But what exactly is inflation? And why does it seem to be a constant topic of discussion? We hear about it all the time, but what does it really mean? At its core, inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and subsequently, the purchasing power of currency is falling. Imagine going to the grocery store and realizing that the same amount of money you spent last month now buys you fewer items. This is a direct effect of inflation, but why does this happen? Why does the value of money decrease over time? Simply put, inflation means your money buys less than it used to. This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to budget and save. But understanding the reasons behind inflation can help you navigate these changes more effectively. But why does inflation happen? There are several factors that contribute to inflation, and it's often a combination of these factors that leads to rising prices. One major cause of inflation is the increase in the money supply. When more money is printed and circulated in the economy, it can lead to a decrease in the value of each individual dollar. This is because there are more dollars chasing the same amount of goods and services. Another factor is supply chain disruptions. When the supply of goods is interrupted, whether due to natural disasters, geopolitical events, or other reasons, it can lead to shortages. These shortages can drive up prices as demand remains constant or even increases. Additionally, when the demand for goods and services increases significantly, it can outpace supply. This often happens during economic booms or periods of high consumer confidence. When people are willing to spend more, businesses may raise prices to match the increased demand. How does inflation impact you? The effects of inflation are felt in various aspects of daily life. From the cost of groceries to the price of gas, inflation makes everyday life more expensive. Inflation makes everyday life more expensive. You might notice that your weekly grocery bill is higher, or that filling up your car's gas tank costs more than it used to. These price increases can strain household budgets and make it harder to save money. And it's not just about the immediate costs. Inflation also eats away at your savings. The money you've set aside for the future loses value over time, meaning it won't go as far when you eventually need to use it. So, the next time you notice prices going up, you'll know why. It's not just random, it's a result of various economic factors at play. Understanding these factors can help you make more informed decisions about your finances. Understanding inflation is key to making better financial decisions. By staying informed and aware of how inflation works, you can take steps to protect your purchasing power and make smarter choices with your money. Whether it's investing in assets that tend to appreciate over time, like real estate or stocks, or simply being more mindful of your spending, knowledge is power when it comes to managing inflation. There are also ways to hedge against inflation. For instance, investing in commodities like gold or other precious metals can provide a buffer against the eroding value of currency. Additionally, some government bonds are designed to keep pace with inflation, offering a safer investment option. Budgeting and financial planning become even more crucial during times of high inflation. By keeping a close eye on your expenses and adjusting your budget as needed, you can better manage the impact of rising prices on your daily life. Consulting with a financial advisor can also be beneficial. They can provide personalized advice and strategies to help you navigate inflation and protect your financial future. Whether it's through investment recommendations or tips on managing debt, professional guidance can make a significant difference. Education is another powerful tool. By learning more about economics and personal finance, you can better understand the forces that drive inflation and how to respond to them. There are many resources available, from books and online courses to workshops and seminars. Ultimately, while inflation is a complex and often challenging aspect of the economy, being informed and proactive can help you mitigate its effects. By understanding the causes and impacts of inflation, you can take steps to protect your financial well-being and make more confident decisions about your money. So, the next time you hear about inflation, remember that it's not just an abstract concept, it's a real phenomenon that affects your daily life. But with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate it successfully and maintain your financial health. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your financial future. Understanding inflation is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's an important one. With this knowledge, you're better equipped to face the challenges and opportunities that come your way. Inflation can also be influenced by government policies. For example, when governments increase spending or cut taxes, it can boost demand in the economy, potentially leading to higher prices. Conversely, when central banks raise interest rates, it can help to cool down an overheating economy and curb inflation. Understanding the role of government and central bank policies can provide deeper insights into the mechanisms of inflation. By keeping an eye on policy changes and economic indicators, you can better anticipate potential impacts on your finances. It's also important to consider the global context. Inflation isn't just a local phenomenon, it can be influenced by international events and trends. For instance, global supply chain issues or changes in commodity prices can have ripple effects that impact inflation rates in different countries. By staying informed about global economic trends, you can gain a more comprehensive understanding of inflation and its potential impacts. This global perspective can help you make more informed decisions about your investments and financial strategies. In summary, inflation is a multifaceted issue with various causes and effects. From money supply and demand dynamics to government policies and global trends, many factors contribute to the rising prices we experience. By understanding these factors, you can better navigate the challenges of inflation and protect your financial well-being. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about inflation and its drivers, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Stay proactive, stay informed, and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into inflation and how it affects your daily life. Stay tuned for more informative content on personal finance and economic trends. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your financial future. Understanding inflation is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's an important one. With this knowledge, you're better equipped to face the challenges and opportunities that come your way.